Good morning from Terry Haddock Racing. We are on our way to the racetrack and Tyler's driving, so I'm scared. 5 tickets, hopefully they let us in the door. Tyler, can you explain what you're doing real quick?
Just fixing some burnt wires.
Nice. Mr. Tyler, the electrician in. Yeah, it's cold here, so we need this heater to actually work. That's what he's working on. Right now I am driving back from shipping, which is way down yonder, way past the Chattahoochee. But it's really cool driving back. All the mountains that you can see behind the track, they're all starting to get snow covered, which is really cool to see. It's like a really cool backdrop. So just thought that was something cool to point out and notice. Going back and dropping my camera all over the place, but I'm on my way back. Cheers.
How's it going, everybody? Cameron Ferret, driver of the Nhra Auto Group, Terry Haddock Racing, Top Fuel Dragster, and we're out here in Pomona Raceway, my home track. I grew up racing this track, and excited to get the weekend going. I hope everybody comes out and has a great event, and you know, showcase what we can do here in sunny Southern California. I grew up in Southern California, so it's a great opportunity to come out here and race in front of a hometown crowd.
Alright, I'm following the dragster up to the line. We aren't running the funny car this session because of a problem with the pulley bolts, but we'll get to run it next session. We're going to get the dragster done and out of the way. Also, we have a new sponsor on the car this weekend, Nhra Auto Group. So, it's on both the dragster and the funny car. And both cars look really good with it. How's it going over there, Mr. Cameron? You ready, Mr. Tyler?
Always, buddy.
Hell yeah.
Well, that's not a bad start.
Did you see that wheelie? Did you see that wheelie?
It's Veterans Day and just Veterans Day.
Such a cool view.
It is a cool view, eh?
Yeah. Okay, so it had a hole out, so Cameron shut it off for some reason. Our uh-oh box didn't work. We're going to head back and get the funny car ready and come up again and race that.
What time's that at 4, right?
Yeah, it's at 4. not going anywhere. For the record, that is only for the toe up. It's just filming a time lapse. It's not going down the track like that. I wish, but no. So, we're gonna head up in a few minutes. We've got probably 20 minutes before we head up, so just gonna hang out and make sure everything's ready to go. So, a bit of a progress update. I'm all dirty. I decided to try to be a bottom end guy. Not a fun job. Funny car is about ready to go back together. Dad's fixing a few things with the cannon and all of that stuff. And it will go back together soon. We've got both cars apart. The motor might have to come out of the dragster because of something it's doing up here with the head. Like, it's not being nice to the block. So the engine might have to come out, which is fun, so I'll keep you updated when we figure it out. How are you, Mr. Haddock?
Oh,
Yeah, that's fair. I think we're all cold, except Tyler, who's like immune to the cold, huh?
I'm up here amped up on freedom.
Happy Veterans Day.
I keep forgetting about that.
Yeah. Tyler's a veteran. He was a crayon eater in the Marines.
Window liquor.
Window liquor. We're still working on race cars. Still freezing. We're over here bleeding the cannon, and Mr. Terry's making a mess. Right, Mr. Terry? Right, Mr. Terry. Okay, so Tyler and I just got back to the hotel along with Marbles. We are going to wrap today up because it was a long day. It's very cold. We're very tired. And yeah, so make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all those YouTube-y things, and never give up.